Amanda here from Scrimpingmommy.co.uk. I'm here sharing some more smiles in the mail with you. I've received these throughout this week. So the first thing I received was a lovely gift, and it was wrapped in this absolutely beautiful paper, which, you know, I will hoard and I will use in my journal that I'm creating at the moment. And it's from a lovely lady called Natalie, who's on my team, on my Stampin' Up team, and she sent me this beautiful card because it is actually my birthday on the 22nd of August. So this is from the lovely Natalie, and I like how she's done that with the like that rather than just a temple, because I think that would make that more sturdy, and I think that is a really beautiful card. She's ever so clever, very talented lady, and I think that's beautiful. So thank you, Natalie. And she sent me this pen, this lovely, like with like a crown on, and then she did send me these planner and a desk calendar, which is awesome, and then an academic diary, all in lovely rose gold, which I absolutely love. So she sent me those as a birthday gift. Isn't that thoughtful and kind? So thank you very much, Natalie. That will go up with my birthday cards. And then this one was sent to me by the fantastic Helen Chandler, and it's like a joyful card. It's absolutely beautiful. I love it. And in here, she's sending some team reward vouchers that I give to my team, and then they swap them and get to order things in the catalogue. And Helen got hers recently for reaching Bronze Elite. Well done, Helen, you are awesome. She is absolutely lovely. She's a very good influence within our team, is Helen. She's a lovely lady, very supportive. And then I got this one, which is awesome, and this is from another lady in my team, and this is from Valerie, Valerie Whittaker. She's absolutely lovely, and I think that's a lovely card. And again, she sent me this for my birthday, so that's very thoughtful of you. Thank you ever so much. From Valerie, John and Radley the dog. So there you go. And then this one is from another lovely lady in my team. I've got some awesome ladies in my team, and she's actually a new lady. She joined me very recently, just in July she joined, and she's called Margaret, and she sent me this lovely card, and because I wasn't feeling very well last week. So yeah. So that is a very lovely card. Thank you for thinking of me, Margaret. That's ever so kind. And Valerie. And thank you, Helen. And a big thank you to the lovely Natalie. I do like getting smiles in the mail, and that is, all of them are beautiful cards. Very talented ladies in my team. Very supportive and very kind. Thank you ever so much for thinking of me. Thanks for sharing today's smiles in the mail. I do like to share, as I've said before, I love to share other people's cards because I think they're super talented, and you know, we can get inspiration from everywhere. So there you go. Thanks for watching, take care, and I'll see you soon. Bye.